We are here to present on the balloon card car. Objective: to understand how a car works and the science behind the balloon powered car. This is the balloon powered car. Transportation. Transportation is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. The use of transportation depends on the reason to move goods for their availability of their use. Human beings use various methods to move goods, commodities, and ideas from one place to another. These are different means of transportation. Transportation by air, by train, by road, and by sea. Introduction. The history of transportation begins from the human era and continues to change over a period of time. The first means of transportation was the human foot. People walked large distances to reach places. The first improvement made to this type of transportation was adapted to different surfaces. For example, people who live in areas where snow and ice were spiky like attachments, so they wouldn't sleep on the ground. This is the transportation by the human foot. These are different timelines of transport, from wheels to bus for traveling, to hot air balloon, to ship, to bicycle, to steam locomotive, then to car in 1862. Around 3500 BC, the first wheeled vehicle were used. As a means of transporting small loads, wheels were attached to the carts and chariots. We use simple loads into controllable river boats with arms to direct the vehicle. This is the motor wagon. History and background of car. In 1885, German mechanical engineer Carl Benz designed and built the world's first practical automobile to be powered by an internal combustion engine on January 29, 1889. The first inventors of car are Carl Benz, Italian, Alex Hamilton, Jos Seldon, Joseph Rava, and Otto Constant. The motor wagon was the first true automobile to be powered. Do you know that the first person to drive a car was a woman? It was Carl Benz's wife, which was Beta Benz in 1888. In Nigeria, the first man to drive a car was Sir Thomas Chuk. And the first woman to drive a car was Funmilayo Ransome Kuti. This is Carl Benz. This is the motor wagon being used. Now I'm going to hand over the microphone to Obaloluwa Kolawole to continue from here.
Thank you very much for the introduction. I'll take it up from here. Newton's second law, F equals ma. Newton's second law is a quantitative description of changes that a force can produce to the motion of a body. It says that the time rate of change of the momentum of a body is equal in both magnitude and direction to the force imposed on it. The momentum of the body to the product of its mass and velocity. The lesser the weight, the less force required to pull. The heavier the weight, the more force required to pull. The heavier the weight, the less force required to pull. The most common applications of Newton's law are listed below. The lesser the weight of the mass, the less strength required to pull. The heavier the mass, the more force required, the more strength required to pull. Science behind the balloon power and the balloon movement uses Newton's law of motion. For every action, there will be an equal and opposite reaction. When you inflate the balloon and release the nozzle, this means there will be an equal and opposite reaction. The air pushes backward direction. The air pushes rubber back, propelling the balloon forward. Balloon is first upward reaction, air rushes downward action. Some examples of Newton's law are listed below. Fire and a bullet. When a bullet is shot from the gun, one puts force and propels it forward. The person shoots the gun. a book lying on the table. The wheel of the book is acting downward direction on the table. A book lying on the table. During swimming, a swimmer moves ahead, a swimmer moving ahead. This principle is used in real rocket targets, which are shot at a high speed at the back of the engine. Steam passes out, propelling the vehicle forward. In this project is to make a new torch that is propelled forward by the steam of air, escaping the balloon as it deflates. The action is propelling the reaction upward direction. Now I'm here to pass the mic to Ebechukuma.
Nura and Oba are speaking us to the background of the balloon power car. I'm going to take you to the procedure of the balloon power car. Material needed: plastic bottle, 4 plastic bottle cap, wooden screws, 2 straws, balloon, tape, scissors, or sharp knife. Preparation: cut one of the straws in half. And take both pieces of the straw to one side of the water bottle. Cut the wooden square in half and push each piece through the straw. This will form your axles. Use the scissors to poke a shaped hole directly in the center of the balloon card. From the balloon around one end of the other straw. Wrap the tape very tight so the connection is airtight. Push the free end of the straw through the hole and out of the mouth of the bottle. Use the tape to secure the straw to the bottle, the balloon. Then put your finger over the tip to trap air. Put the card down in the flat surface, then release your finger. Why was car invented? Car was invented because of the stress and force people walk to different places and large distances. Different fact about the motor wagon. The motor wagon was the first true vehicle to be powered by an internal combustion engine, and that's why many names are qualified to it. In Germany, Carbenz got a credit for creating the first true modern vehicle. Thank you. If you need a balloon power car, you can see me later.